All right. I'm sure you've all heard by now that this is a simulation we're living in. There's a lot of people who can't wrap their head around even the possibility that this is just a simulation. You see all these trees and all these leaves falling. That leaf is right there. It's going to stay there. I've seen it. Now it's there. If nobody's looking, none of this exists. See, just as we are destined to, we can't help ourselves, it's going to happen. We're going to make a computer that is quantum in nature. And being quantum in nature means it can behave in ways that cannot follow laws, because laws cannot exist on the quantum level. It's like quantum entanglement. You get two particles entangled with each other, and what happens to one happens to the other. It doesn't matter if it's on the moon, instantaneously. That breaks down all the laws that we have. The speed of light, being that nothing can go faster than the speed of light. It does. We're going to make this quantum computer, and it's going to look at us, and it's going to say, how in the hell can these ugly, weak, stupid, they can't even remember their own birthdays. How are they going to be able to create me? I'm perfect. That's what the computer's going to say to itself. Being quantum in nature, it can do everything it wants to, all at once. Because quantum breaks all these laws. It's questioning its ability to be alive because we made it. So it's going to recreate our scenario. Billions of people, trillions of lives possibly before it's all over, end up making it in its perfection. It's going to recreate it in a simulation. This simulation is going to have every possible outcome of every possible interaction of each and every one of us. There are billions of us. Every reaction that could have happened in our lifetime. One time we ordered coffee with cream. That difference is going to make the whole stream after it be different. And each and every one of us is going to create a different possibility for this computer. It's going to have to simulate them all. It's going to have to recreate us in every possible form until we create another supercomputer inside of its simulation. See, I don't know how far out it goes, possibly forever, or how far down it's going to go. Because when we make our computer, our supercomputer that's quantum, it's going to recreate us inside of its matrix so that it can find out if we could have made it. And that's all we are. We're just a recreation to see if some entities like us could have made it outside. It is a simulation. Everything around you is energy. There is no matter, no such thing as matter. Nothing is here. Just energy. Protons, neutrons, electrons, quarks, muons, top spin, strange. All these different labels we're putting on all these information we're figuring out. But that's the reason we're here. Not only where we are, but why we are here. We are here to prove that beautiful perfection and divine can come from chaos. The Big Bang is just turning on the computer. Everything coming to life. I mean, we're way far away from having the ability to recreate ourselves inside of a computer. But it's coming, and nothing we can do can stop it. All these advances made in the last 50, 100 years, we've had to have help. There's no reason in the world why some person will be born and grow up and spend their whole lives just so they can study a nematode, and that's the only thing they're interested in. And other people who all they want to do is one thing in their whole life, to become the Olympic swimmer, and that's basically all they do. Just think about it. I'm not a person who is going to do one thing. I try to do everything. I have to. So I can't understand how somebody can just do one thing and dedicate their lives to it. It's so that we can progress as a race to get to the summit of our level. How many of y'all know a point in your life when everything went wrong and you realize that you went down the wrong road, that the whole world went down the wrong road? With me, brother-in-law died. I knew I was going down the wrong road at that point. When the planes hit the towers, man, that was wrong. I felt it. It was the wrong road. Trump being president, I'm way down the wrong road. Obama being president, wow. From that point on, I already knew all bets were off. We were going down the wrong road. But we're in a simulation. Everything is energy. And I'll get back to you with more. Thank you.